Refresh is an online resource developed by Unilever Food Solutions for aged care chefs. It is filled with inspiration, tips, recipes and ideas to help chefs provide quality meals for their residents. You'll find Refresh at ufs.com. Select Aged Care Refresh from the Chef Inspiration menu. Click on What is Refresh to learn about the valuable topics such as menu planning, recipe booklets, industry news, dining experience, nutrition advice, texture-modified food, training, themed events, and event menu templates. Refresh is regularly updated with new articles, recipes, and downloads to keep you inspired with fresh ideas to create delicious meals for your residents. Add the link to Refresh to your bookmark folder for easy reference so you can come back to it whenever you need. Sign up to the Refresh newsletter and have all the latest news and inspiration delivered to your inbox. Click subscribe to newsletter at the bottom of the page.